I wouldn't turn them down.
It's just a powdery mess out there today.
Hi, I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter. Our family has been blessed to farm in Montana
For over 100 years now.
And it wouldn't be possible without the great team we have
and blessings from our Savior,
Jesus Christ.
Morning. Well, Tim got combines fueled up this morning. Time to grease a few bearings on the header and get cutting already. Just 3 bearings on the center draper daily. They're 10 hours, and then end of the sickle drive and the PTO shaft that runs the header are 25 hours. So that's every 2 days we catch those. So they're ready to go. That looks good. They're wiped off. So mechanics does it for, I guess, right? And you wipe on the tire. And you rub a little dirt in it. And then your goes clean again. Well, the belts on the white truck, the fan belts are squealing a little bit, so I'm gonna grab some wrenches. We'll get that tightened up. But I should show you guys how these Toolbox widgets are doing. They work really good. They are sliding around just a little bit, but that's kind of to be expected with being mobile. But man, besides that, they were super organized compared to what it was before. Let's see what symmetric ones look like. Yeah, those ones are all holding in there real good too. Toolbox widget, there's a link in the description. Just off a discount on some of those. They're super handy. They're all individual modules. They've got some newer updated wrench size indicators you don't have to write on to make them colored. So those are available now. Yeah, go check them out. Toolbox widget. So that's tight now for the main belts coming off the crank. Might as well do these a little bit too. Let's go see if they squeak now and turn the fan on. Sweet! One more noisy. Well, that flex pipe is rusted through, a little noisy. Well, I mean a straight pipe, so it's noisy anyway. A little bit noise coming underneath the hood, so we need to get new exhaust on this truck. Makes the 7-inch stacks look pretty nice on there. What do you think? I mean, if there's a company out there that would like to give us a set of stacks for a semi, I wouldn't turn them down. Well, the combines are on the move to the next field. Gotta go 1.5 miles to the west and 2 miles south to get to the first field, and then I'm gonna move 3 miles south to the other corner of the field, drop off 4-wheelers, run back and start shuffling stuff back and forth. It's the one-man moving show today. Ramps helped a little bit.
Well, it's hard to say that visibility is very good. It's not that we're going with the wind, it's just that there is no wind. There's Warren. But it's just hovering. But all in all, it's going along pretty good. knocked out quite a bit today. I don't know if we'll finish with mustard tonight or not. Give it our best shot. Yeah, that's my rear view camera. And it's just covered in dust. It's just a powdery mess out there today.
Well, the mustard is done. All but 700 bushels fit in the bin, so we'll see if we can get some of that picked up. Got the grain bagger behind me. Four-wheeler in the bucket in front of me. One-man moving crew back at it again today. Well, that's a good sign. Full hopper tank, down and back on a mile on our worst liquid winter wheat. Sweet. Well, after all year last year and I don't know, 3,500 acres so far this harvest, time to change the sickle out. Wheat, leaving a few heads, we're gonna go ahead and cut her off. Well, we're gonna get it so we'll cut it off. Got a little hang up, a couple high guards here, so let's grab something to straighten those with. Put our pin back in. He is just gonna make it to the end, I think.
Oh, the joys of wheat harvest. Oh, I guess we're full enough. Here comes Tony. I'll wait here.
Bagging, backing up. The right hand auger. A bagger hop's a little higher on the other side than on this side, so it's easier to see in, not over the tarp. So let's back up. CVT works really good. Read that? Probably not. 0.06, 0.07 mile an hour reverse. Just kind of taking our time. Only opened 1.5, 25, 26% open.
Well, I don't think the Elmer's cart stayed gray very long. It's a little powdery dry out. It's going good. We're knocking out some winter wheat. We've probably dropped 300 acres already. Things are going pretty good. Warren and I are just whacking away.
Well, we gotta get out and count and see how many folds we have left. 7, the magic number where we want to stop. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're halfway to the end. Get 7 more. We'll probably better turn the PTO on up that bagger. And then we'll switch onto a new bag. Oh, that was nice. I forgot to shut it off last time. Whoopsies! Might be getting close. We'll see here. Probably get most of the cart load in there. A little over halfway there already. I'm not pushing very fast either. That tractor's probably only running about 300, 400 PTO RPM instead of 550, 540. I don't think we're gonna quite get there this load. There comes my bag help. Little more wheat from the combines, and up there's my mark. That was really worth it. 100 bushels. Better shut down. It seems like so much bag to waste, but it's such a pain in the butt otherwise when we start the unloader. We are not gonna mess with putting a new bag on tonight. We're gonna go grab a couple semis. The rest of the field will fit in 2 trucks and the grain cart. And then we can decide where we're gonna go with the rest of it after that. I think we'll start another bag across the highway on the next field. All right, Pete, you're gonna make your harvest debut. Can't get the air conditioner to work on here. Dad and Tim were messing with that when we were gone to Nebraska. is a wrap for the day and the week, Saturday night. Let's see, 80 acres of mustard this morning and 470 acres of winter wheat this afternoon. So feels good to cover some ground finally. Peas and mustard's a lot slower cutting than wheat, so we'll be able to cover some ground now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, farm hard, pray harder. We'll see you next video.